Hey guys, I'm gonna show you my all-time favorite snack. So nutrient dense and the most delicious thing you will ever taste. I'm going to add probiotics, and this is one of my favorite brands, Inner Eco. It's a liquid fermented coconut water, and it is the most delicious thing you can ever imagine. This is actually a full month's supply. One serving's only a tablespoon, and I'm sticking with the berry theme, and we are using the blueberry blackberry. One serving is 100 billion CFUs. Let's get started and make the berry bowl. All right, guys, there you have it. So easy to make, so nutrient dense, delicious, filling. It's kind of like your low sugar, low carb version of an acai bowl, and you get so many benefits in here. All right, guys, eat up.